Hi, John. I think I found the book that you might be interested. It's called Financial Accounting, The Impact on Decision Makers. And right here, you're looking at the actual ebook, and this can be put into your classroom on your LMS. And one great feature that I really like about this book is that you can actually have the book read. The students can have the book read to them.
Who determines the rules for financial statements?
And they can make it go faster, slower, male or female. Another great feature that I absolutely love is the fact that any word on this page, you can look it up in the dictionary, and you can have the word read to you. So those students that are afraid to ask questions because they don't know a word or they can't pronounce it, they can look it up right here and it's at their fingertips. You can also, students can also bookmark a page. They can make the text bigger or smaller. So mine was at the biggest. They can highlight here, add to notes. This will be on test. They can save that. They can also, let's see here, they can add terms to a flashcard. They already have flashcards that they can create. That are already created, but they can add it to their flashcards. And you're not looking at the entire screen right here, but over here is the note-taking ability. And you can see right here where you can actually go into the book, where you can bookmark the pages, and you see that I have this right here, chapter 1. It takes me right to the textbook. Of course, I'm already in the textbook. Another great feature, they can sync this up with Evernote. So if they're in the classroom, I guess this is an online course, but they can keep running notes so that it syncs up no matter where they are. And anything that they've highlighted, they can actually print this out or take notes. And so this is a really great study feature. So now I'm going to take you into some of the great study features of CNOW, and this comes with this particular textbook. So they have a pre-lecture where it kind of takes you through the main objectives, and I know you asked for a lot of videos and things like that, and right here you'll see it takes you through the different parts that students can actually click on, and each part of this pre-lecture, this is for chapter 3, you can click on Tell Me More About the Learning Objectives. And inside of this, there's a little video. And if you give it a moment, it's going to load.
As transactions are recorded, the accounting equation must remain in balance. Assets equals liabilities plus stockholders' equity. Retained earnings. The equation can be expanded to show the linkage between the balance sheet and the income statement through the retained earning account. Assets equals liability.
So right here you'll see here's a homework application. So before students actually get into their actual assignment, they can go over how to do the actual assignment. So if you can see right here, here's part of the assignment. You can go to each exercise here, and I'll take you through that in a minute. So if a student doesn't really understand the concepts, they have the option for to show me. So it's going to take you through a really quick video.
For receipt of cash on account and cash sales. We will also explain why the bank refers cash received from a customer as a credit to the customer's account. The journal provided is incorrect. The debits and credits are reversed in this entry. To credit the cash account means...
So the other option, they can also go right to the learning objectives in their textbook. So this links you up to the textbook for the learning objectives. So here's the chapter, and they can go ahead and kind of read it, and it takes them through to help, and little study tips on the right, so that they can really understand the concepts being asked. So right here you'll see I'm actually in the homework assignment or the application so that they can kind of go through, and then they kind of go through here and see what they understand, and they kind of they can submit their work done or check my work here. And you can have this as the instructor. You can have this count as an assignment, but this probably would not be a good idea to count it, or you can have it as a practice assignment. One other key thing to remember with CNOW is that you are able to create a study path for your students. So you can set it up where if there's a concept that they're not understanding, you can add that into their learning path so that they can work on that until they understand each concept at their own pace. So right here you're looking at Chapter 3, Mastery of the Assignment. So you actually have a whole concept right here where a student can actually go into the accounting equations and set up their own financial document. Here you see the accounts payable, liabilities, stockholders, equity, transactions, cost concepts, and CG enterprises. So, you know, it has an assignment here and they can sit there and each of the tabs can open up. They can put their information in here and close it out. And that's pretty much all the homework assignments here. So as you can see, there's a lot of options to make sure that students actually understand the material. And here, right here, you can see they can email their instructor if they have questions, and they can submit the assignment for grading. So I gave you a brief overview of this is our MindHappy Reader with our Cengage Now. And I also noticed with this textbook, because I noticed that this is an international accounting, it does go over international accounting standards, which would fit what you're looking for your course. I gave you just a brief overview. What I'd like to do to see if we can set up a time, Cindy and I, we can actually maybe come on campus, kind of show you how it would integrate and kind of give you an idea if this is something that you're looking for. If this is not the right textbook, just let me know. I can kind of dig a little deeper and see if there's something else that would be a better fit. I will go ahead and put this on your professor's bookshelf so that they can kind of take a look at that. And if they want to reach out to me, I can also set up a WebEx to kind of go over what they're looking for. So I appreciate your time and I hope you have a wonderful day.